Ripple's ongoing battle lawsuit with the SEC is not over. The war is not over. But Ripple has won a pretty significant battle in that. And I think that we all are pretty much expecting a ruling, however it goes, either way, sometime probably by summer is really the expectation. In this case, probably the end of summer. You know, it's kind of always been touted as being a first part of 2023 scenario. But I'm going to tell you about what Ripple has won in the context of this battle. And it's a pretty big one in this video, and we'll also look at the price point. All right. So with that, thank you for your support. If you want me to continue to do XRP content for you, please hit that subscribe button and drop a like and tell me that, hey, yep, you voted and that you want me to do that. Okay. So XRP to 40 cents, right? Well, let's see kind of real quickly what's going on real quickly. Why did I say that twice? That was odd. Is that Ripple is up, XRP is up 2.6 and nothing else in the top. Oh my gosh, 20 or 20. Let's just see. Nothing else in the top 40. I'm looking at the 24-hour column. There we go. We had to go all the way to number 52 to get to Immutable X to find anything else that is up in the top, well, 50. Crazy. Actually, it's pretty crazy if you just found that out. But right now, XRP is up 2.69 at 38 cents. And I bet you the volume is up. Yeah, volume's up 21%, 21 cents. And it is directly related to this, in my opinion. Judge Torres, who is the presiding judge over the Ripple SEC lawsuit, has denied the SEC a motion to exclude testimony. Okay. And so what this is, so Judge Torres denied SEC motions to exclude certain testimony. Testimony is something, you know, that an individual or an organization, when they give their side of a piece of a story, if you will, right? This puts the defendants, Ripple, in a better position. Okay. So amicus curiae, what a great name. Amicus curiae attorney. Oh, okay. Yeah. John Deaton was quick enough to share his development with the XRP community, citing the recent quarter. He tweeted, Ripple's motion to exclude expert number one testimony from testifying is granted. So there was an expert testimonial witness that SEC was trying to get their testimony, you know, into the case. Judge Torres excluded that testimony. And as to about the perceptions of a reasonable XRP purchaser, and denied as to the remainder of his testimony. So basically, that this particular expert witness for the SEC was just completely said, nope, you neither what you say or, you know, what you have said, will say, or have said, if you will, is going to be in this. This ruling also shows that Judge Torres could start ruling on other pending motions as well very soon. Also, all eyes will be on the access to Hinman's documents going ahead. Under the client attorney privilege, the SEC has filed a motion to redact certain content after the agency failed to shield the entire document. Any ruling against the SEC could increase the chances of faster settlement. Okay, so this is a pretty big deal. XRP Ripple has won a pretty significant battle in the war they have with the SEC. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. I'll see you. Go make some money.